So what a match! It was amazing.
It was really nice, and India won. That's the really great.
Who's it? Why don't you say that?
Which play do you think perform very well in today's match?
Kuldeep was there, and then
Ishan Kishan,
that is
yeah. Of course. We'll bring someone better commentary. The Twitter guy.
Will somebody the reason? There is no more reason left. They should not be playing cricket anymore. They're not. No, it's either you win or learn. They will only be learning from 10 years.
There's no rival. When Surya Kumar Yadav said there's no rival.
Actually, yeah.
It's only one side game.
Absolutely.
It's all over India.
I think they should merge India with Pakistan. We have a very strong team. We'll have one.
And I support India. Just to watch the game. Yes, came from Manchester.
I've just come from Manchester
to support India.
Sri Lanka, all the way from Manchester. Semi Mountain.
Thank you very much.
It was very thrilled, great. We enjoyed a lot. Chak de India! Chak de India!
Amazing, yeah. Aarti, I thought it was just fantastic. I'm visiting from the States. She's from India, and what a great effort. With India Pakistan, it always feels you can go any side. And when we wanted to see what's the first guy's name? Abhishek Sharma. We thought like, oh shoot, let's start it again. But fantastic performance, really good. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
What do you say on this?
Really a very nice, interesting match, and I've always been a fan of India, so it's like I'm very happy. Yeah, so it was okay. I mean, I'm fine with it. Like at least.
Was you sad when he out?
Yeah, actually, that was You were sad.
She's an optimistic, and I was like, oh shit,
Yeah.
this is India's thing happening. She was like, somebody's going to take care.
Yeah.
And Kishan did it.
Ishan Kishan did it. So it's okay. In the end, everything went well.
हाँ जी मैं क्या पाकिस्तान ਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਬਣਿਆ ਬਾਕੀ ਟੀਮ ਸਪਿਰਿਟ ਨਾਲ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਟੀਮਾਂ ਖੇਡੀਆਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਐਫਰਟ ਪਾਇਆ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਆਬਵੀਅਸਲੀ ਵਨ ਹੈਜ਼ ਟੂ ਵਿਨ ਵਨ ਹੈਜ਼ ਟੂ ਲੂਜ਼ ਤੇ ਉਹੀ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਜਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਆ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਭਰਾ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਗਪੁਰ ਤੋਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕੀਤਾ ਕੋਲੰਬੋ ਇਸ ਪੂਰੀ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਨੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਅੱਛੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹੋਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਪੁੱਛਣ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਬਾਕੀ ਰੱਬ ਮਿਹਰ ਕਰੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵਰਲਡ ਕੱਪ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੀ ਚੱਕਾਂਗੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਛੱਡਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਟੀਮ ਸਪਿਰਿਟ ਹੈਗੀ ਸਲਾਮ ਦੁਆ ਤੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਚੱਲਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਟੀਮ ਸਪਿਰਿਟ ਤੇ ਸਪੋਰਟਸਮੈਨਸ਼ਿਪ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸਲਾਮ ਦੁਆ ਤੇ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ
I mean, I don't understand. India-Pakistan is actually never a match. I think BCCI just hypes the whole thing. There's so many other better teams. This match, I mean, I was like 100% sure. I mean, the way some of these experts went ahead and said, looks like it's Pakistan's advantage because they've been practicing here. Let's be honest, it's not apples to apples here. It's definitely like a class 10 student to a class 3 or class 4 student. So that's my take. I mean, it was expected. I don't know what the hype was about, but it keeps happening. We win. It's an emotion. We love it.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I enjoyed particularly the fact that I've flown down from India at this age and I was crowded by lovely Indians shouting out and cheering for the Indian squad. That was the best part of it. And of course, as expected, as somebody said, yes, we knew we would win, but it was such an easy win for the Indians. Kudos to the Indian bowlers and the fielders and the batsmen. I think they've really won the day today for us and made us proud. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
It was an amazing, superb, great, and it's like always proven India is always unbeaten, and there's no match, but just that India-Pakistan ka excitement hai, so India always the
This
super.
was a complete one-sided match. One-sided match.
Superb I don't think so. In another decade, Pakistan will not be able to beat us. This is like for sure. Indian team is like next level. It's going to next level. Bharat Mata ki Jai!
पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद
पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद और हम फिर जीतते रहेंगे हमेशा जीतते रहेंगे
बेसिकली क्या है अब इन लोगों की आदत हो चुकी है इससे बेटर तो ये खेलना ही छोड़ दे तो अच्छा है क्यों खामा दूसरों का भी टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं भाई छुपा लो मुंह छुपा लो ओ पाकिस्तान वाले मुंह छुपा लो भाई कहीं हो तो आठवीं बार हरा दिया अगली बार भी हराएंगे बार हराएंगे जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा हर बार जीतेगा
India
I am so disappointed. I think it's a good fight
India-Pakistan match, a big match, no high pressure match. I think this match will be very good match and very tough fight. But I really disappointed because this is my first match in stadium. I'm seeing live. Totally disappointed.
India played really super, unbelievable. Never thought that in 4 overs, 5 overs you can say that Pakistan will lose 4 wickets. The backbone was broken there and India won the match, which is really, no doubt the pressure is on both the side. But today the bowlers did the best.
बाबर आजम उसको खेलना चाहिए, मैन ऑफ द मैच उसी को देना चाहिए जैसे उसने खेला है। उसको थोड़ी शर्म भी आनी चाहिए, लोग उससे 12वीं बार बुला रहे थे, तो अभी शायद उसका काफी टाइम हो गया है। बट आई थिंक ओवरऑल एक्सपेक्टेड था, इतना वन साइड होगा वो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं था, बट ओवरऑल आई थिंक ग्रेट मैच।
India rocks always.
Awesome! Best match of the day!
It was an amazing match. Amazing.
Have you enjoyed?
Did you enjoy, Shubhi? Yeah.
Thanks.